Get help from pension credit. This video is for British Sign Language users and gives information about who can get pension credit and how to apply for it. Introduction. Pension credit is a benefit from the Department for Work and Pensions. Pension credit gives extra money to people who have reached state pension age and who have a low income. The following information will tell you who can get pension credit and how to apply. About pensions. A pension is money to live on when you do not have a wage or an income from working. Most people get a pension when they retire. You retire when you leave your job and stop working. You can retire when you reach a certain age, or due to poor health. There are 3 types of pension. Private pension. Workplace pension. State pension. A private pension is money you have saved or invested for when you retire. A workplace pension is money paid into a pension by your employer. You may pay into a workplace pension too from your wage. A state pension is money you may be able to get from the government. If you can get it, the Department for Work and Pensions pay this money to you. Who can get pension credit? You must be at state pension age to get pension credit. Your state pension age is the youngest age you can get state pension. For more information about your state pension age, go to www.gov.uk/state-pension-age. If you are in a couple, you and your partner must have both reached state pension age. To get pension credit, you must live in England, Scotland, or Wales. You must have a low income. Income is money you get. It can be money from benefits you get, money from any pensions you get, money you have earned or saved. To get pension credit as a single person, your income must not be more than £238 a week. However, in some circumstance you can have income of more than £238 and still get pension credit. To get pension credit as a couple, your total income must not be over £363.25 a week. However, in some circumstance you can have income of more than £363.25 and still get pension credit. You can use our online calculator to see how much you might get. Go to https://www.gov.uk/pension-credit-calculator. How to apply for pension credit. You can apply for pension credit online, by telephone, by post. You may want to ask someone you know to help you when you apply. You can also ask Citizens Advice or Age UK for help. There are links to their websites in the video description below. How to apply online. You can apply for pension credit online. Go to www.gov.uk. Search for pension credit. How to apply by telephone. You can apply for pension credit by telephone. A friend or family member can call us for you if you cannot use the telephone. You can call the pension credit new claim line on 0800 99 1234. The new claim line is open Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. If you cannot hear or speak on the phone, you can also use Relay UK. You should dial 18001, then 0800 99 1234. How to apply by post. You can apply for pension credit by post. Contact the pension credit claim line and ask them to post the form to you. Fill the form in and send it to Free Post DWP Pension Service 3. After you have sent the form to us, when you apply, we will look at how much income you already get. Income can be money you get from benefits, money you get from pensions, money you have earned or saved. We also look at savings or investments over £10,000. You might get more money if you are the main carer of a child, a young person, or a disabled person. Are severely disabled. Have certain housing costs. When you apply, we will let you know if you can or cannot get pension credit. You must have a bank or building society account. This is where we will pay your money. Other types of support. If you are 75 years old or over and you get pension credit, you will also be able to apply for a free TV license. You may also be able to get housing benefit. You may pay less council tax. You may get help to pay the interest on your mortgage. We call this support for mortgage interest. For more information about support for mortgage interest, please visit the links in the video description below. You may be able to get help with the cost of heating your home. You may be able to get free health care, such as dental care, help to pay for glasses. For more information on other help you could get, go to www.gov.uk/benefits-calculators. How to contact the pension service. If you have a question or need help with your claim, you can call the pension service helpline on 08007 3104 69. If you speak Welsh, you can call 08007 3104 53. The helpline is open Monday to Friday 9:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. If you cannot hear or speak on the phone, you can also use Relay UK. You should dial 18001, then 0800328564. If you are deaf and use British Sign Language, you may be able to use the video relay service. For more information about pension credit, information about benefits you may be able to get, and getting help with claiming them, please see the links in the video description below. This video is a guide only.